In this video, we're going to look at a great new feature called Dynamic Help that will show you suggestions for help as you type code into the main area. So what we're going to do right now is, first of all, select the Dynamic Help tab that comes up by default and has an affinity underneath the Properties tab in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. What happens as we begin to type code, and we'll type a simple response.write statement. Notice that even now, before I begin typing, it suggests help for code in the text editor. As I begin to type response, it will suggest help in this area regarding the HTTP response members, the class, and so forth. And if using the list members pop-up box is not enough and the little help that it provides, then I can use my mouse cursor to select one of the entries. For example, the HTTP response members. When I select that, a new tab will open in the main area in just a few moments that will explain more about the response object. So here we see an HTML page for the help that's brought into the main area, and we can take a look at any number of different properties and methods that are explained in depth. So if I wanted to look at more information regarding the write method, I can select that, and within this same tab it will navigate to the write method. So the dynamic help is a great way to find out more information on a given part of code as you type. Now I can go back to my actual code window and I can use this anywhere. For example, if I put my mouse cursor here at the private statement, notice what happens in the lower right hand corner. It gives me some suggestions. All things that you would see on this line of code. The private statement is the number one thing because it has context to where my cursor currently is at. But it also would deal with the next topic in line, which is the sub statement, and so on and so forth. This is a great little tool that will help you as you begin to learn more about C# and VB and the .NET Framework classes. Well, as promised, this was a short video, but we hope that it provides some value and that you will keep the dynamic help window open, especially as you begin to create some of your first applications in Visual Studio .NET. Thank you.